Hey people, it is Retro Friday, as you know. Pollution. I'm in Goodyear, Arizona. It's a suburb of Phoenix. It's all one big town. So, how about noise pollution? Well, I got high Interstate 10 over here, about 3/4 of a mile from me. 24/7 noise pollution. Then I got Luke Air Force Base. They're flying their F-35s over me. Noise pollution, baby. And then there is air pollution. Excuse me. Air pollution. Got all that traffic from Interstate 10, exhaust pipes, whatever, from trucks, cars, whatever, polluting the air. Also, you got those F-35 flying over us. Boy, they dump a lot of fuel burning up and a lot of pollution. It's amazing how much they pollute the air. But, I'm surprised these people in these cities don't grow gills, filter the air. Really amazing pollution. You see a brown haze over Phoenix and a lot of big cities. People live here, I guess, just get used to it. About the only pollution we had in California, noise pollution. The birds bird every so often, at nighttime. Once in a while, boat going up and down the Parker Strip there in the Colorado River. But, it's terrible. People get used to it, and it's just the way it is. So there you go. Sort of busy, well, not a real busy day today. I got to make some phone calls, this, that, or whatever. Do a few little things around the RV. Cook up my Blackstone grill and cook whatever I want. How about that? So noise pollution, air pollution, it is pollution. Something that people deal with and live with every day. No wonder these people, have all sorts of lung problems and everything else, breathing all this crap. There you go. Amazing, amazing. So, enjoy your day. Enjoy everything you have. Enjoy everything you can do. Enjoy your fresh air. And thanks for watching. I appreciate it.